What's the difference between gambling and investing in the stock market? My name is Jeff. You're watching Market View, brought to you by Faida Investment Bank, where we link investors to opportunities. So one of the similarities that we have is that both involve an element of risk and choice. However, there's some three glaring differences. So one of the key differences between investing in the stock market and gambling is that when you gamble, whatever you put up, you risk the entire piece. Such that if you bet, say, 100 shillings on a spot pesa bet, you either win or lose the entire amount. However, for the stock market, you can put in place what you call risk mitigation strategies, which means that you can say that if you invest 100 shares in a company, if the price falls below, say, 90 shillings, you can put in place what you call a stop loss, where you sell, and that way you recover 90% of your investment, as opposed to the gambling where 100% of your investment is at risk. So the second key difference between gambling and investing in the stock market is the element of time. When you gamble, there's a time period. For example, if you bet on a match between Arsenal and Manchester United, at the end of the 90 minutes, the outcome is set, and you know whether you've won or lost. However, when you're investing in shares, you can hold it for 10, 20 years, leave it to your kids and your grandkids. So the third key difference between investing in the Securities Exchange and gambling is the availability of information. Now, for the stock exchange, the regulator makes it mandatory for companies to provide all information that an investor would need, including getting meetings arranged and things like that. However, when you gamble, the information is 50-50, and it's hard to verify anything that you can find. So there you have it. Now you know the difference between gambling and investing in the Securities Exchange. My advice to you, leave the gambling alone, bring the money to us, where we would like the opportunity to link you, the investor, to the opportunities that we have. Like, comment, share. You've been watching Market View, brought to you by Faida Investment Bank.